Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet a headband.
If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project. I am going to pop up the size chart here on the screen, so see what size that you are going to make.
Before you begin, create a slip knot. And then crochet chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then crochet treble crochet. So this one I will add 3 treble crochets, so yarn over twice, and then insert into the first chain of the beginning. So this one the 4th chain from hook. Treble crochet, 1, yarn over twice, insert, 1, 2, 3, 2 treble crochets, yarn over twice, and then insert, 1, 2, 3. So this 3 treble crochets. Next, crochet chaining 2, 1, 2, and then add 4 treble crochets in the same stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, like this. So this created the first row process. And the second row process, turn your work, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then crochet 3 treble crochets in the chaining 2 space, so yarn over twice, one, 2, 3, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then add 3 treble crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then crochet treble crochet in the first treble crochet. So first, second, third, and fourth, like this. So this created the second row process, and the third row we will keep repeating from the second row process to your desired length. So I will show you one more time. So turn your work for the third row, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Add 3 treble crochets, yarn over twice, insert to this the chaining 2 space, 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2, crochet 3 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then crochet treble crochet in this one. Like this. So keep repeating like this process until to your desired length, and I will be right back. Now I have finished with my desired length, and then for this one, turn your work, chain 1, and then crochet single crochets in this one, 1, 2, 3, and then this one, 1 single crochet, and then crochet chaining 30, 1, 2, 3, keep continuing crochet chaining 30, and I will be right back. Now I have finished with the chaining 30, and then I will crochet a flower. So to crochet a flower, crochet chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then crochet double crochet in the third chain from hook, double crochet, and then chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the same stitch like this, chain 1, 2, crochet double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and then slip stitch, chain 1, 2, and then double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch, chain 1, 2, double crochet, 1, 2, and then slip stitch, 1, 2, double crochet, 1, 2, and then slip stitch, and then we will crochet slip stitches all the way along the chain. So insert 1, 2, 3. So keep continuing crochet slip stitches along the chain, and I will be right back. So after you have finished with the slip stitches, and then for this one, add 1 single crochet, and then this one, 1, 2, 3, and then this one, the chaining 4 space crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, crochet a picot to this, slip stitch, and then 2 single crochets, 1, 2, like this, and then in this one 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then insert to this, slip stitch, 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. So keep repeating this process all the way across until the end, and I will be right back. Now I have finished to the end, and then I will continue. So this one, crochet single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then this one, crochet 1 single crochet, and then we will continue crochet the tail. So for the tail, keep repeating from this process. So keep continuing, and I will be right back. Now I have finished with the second tail, and then I will keep continue crochet the edge in another side. So this one, add 1 single crochet like this, and then crochet single crochet in this one, 1, 2, and the last one, 3, like this, and then add 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then crochet slip stitch, 1, 2, and then this one, crochet 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch, 2 single crochets, 1, 2. So keep repeating this process until the end of this, and I will be right back. Now I am at the end of this one, and then I will join this one, insert, slip stitch, yarn over, and then pull through. So for the yarn tail, weave in or ends. Congratulations! Now you have finished with the headband. Yay!
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns, which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today, and keep smiling until the next video.